If your Zoom account is connected to UpdateAI, and if you are the host of the meeting held on Zoom, then you can benefit from Zoom's native cloud recording. We'll go ahead and snag that cloud recording after the meeting and use that to process. What that means is there won't be a bot. Instead, you'll see the standard Zoom controls as I show here on the top right. One benefit is that I can actually pause the recording and restart it if there's some sensitive things that I don't want to get caught. I can fully stop the recording as well. It's a bit of a more seamless feature. However, some people prefer the bot because they like the presence of the bot in the meeting itself at all times so that everybody's always aware that there's a bot listening. Regardless, on Zoom, if you're using the native cloud recording, there will be a dialog box when each individual user comes into the meeting so that they approve that the meeting was being recorded. If your Zoom account is not connected to UpdateAI, or if you are not the host of the Zoom meeting, or if you're not using Zoom, but you're using Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, or WebEx, then we will send the bot. Now, the bot will normally come on its own if you've set for that meeting to be recorded. In this case, let's actually assume that we forgot to invite the bot. So we're going to go in and we're going to take the invite link, just the general invite link for the meeting. And here we can go into our dashboard and we can pop open invite bot to meeting. Now remember, you only need to do this in the case that the bot did not show up because you had originally not set for it to record. If you have it set to record, the bot will show up just fine. But in this case, let's just show how this works. So I go and I have a few settings here about the meeting that I'm inviting the bot to. I press invite, and then within moments, the bot will appear in my meeting. And here it is. The bot has now arrived within seconds of my invitation. And you can see here that in Zoom, I still need to give the bot recording permissions as the host of this meeting. So in this case, I'll go ahead and I will approve for the bot to record. The bot will now record and the bot announces itself, and it'll do this across Zoom, Microsoft, and Google video conferences. Now, what happens if I want to get a recording and a recap for a meeting that was in the past? Well, we can't go back in time and invite the bot or trigger the Zoom recording. But if you do have the recording file, you can simply go to the sidebar on the left and click Upload a Meeting Recording. You can drag and drop it into this area right here, give the metadata, and we will process that recording as well.